Today's simple recipe is creamy sausage and mushroom pasta. Make sure that you watch the video entirely in order to get the best results. Now, if you want to get great results, make sure that you get some proper good sausages. Something like this, just perfect. They will do really well for your recipe. And the first thing that we want to do is remove the casing. Now we're going to set the pan on medium-high heat. And to this we're adding about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now to this pan we're adding 4 cloves of garlic, and I'm only gonna crush them because this way we're gonna get a lighter garlic aroma into our dish. Right after that we can go in with the sausages, and I'm gonna break them into smaller pieces. Now we're following up with the mushrooms, and I like using chestnut mushrooms because they don't break the bank as wild mushroom probably do, but they also better in terms of taste than the button mushrooms with not too much of an additional price. After about 5-7 minutes, after the sausage meat catches a bit of a color, we can go in with the sliced mushrooms. With the mushroom in, we're gonna continue cooking for another 3 to 4 minutes before we're going in with the seasoning. A 1/4 teaspoon of table salt and a good pinch of freshly ground black pepper. And we're also following with about 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Now lower the heat and we're going in with 250 milliliters of dairy cream. To this, I also want to get in about 30 grams of grated parmesan. Now bring the sauce to the simmer, and from when it starts simmering, give it no longer than 2 minutes. Now let's go in with the pasta, which is hopefully cooked al dente. And you want to keep some of this pasta water because it's going to be great in case we need to adjust the consistency of the sauce. Now with the pasta in, we want to continue cooking this in the sauce for a further 2 to 3 minutes so it can absorb some of that flavor. Now I like to finish my pasta with some fresh chives and also some chili flakes. And I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple recipes like this.